is how my helmet looks so far. Got it off the printer. This is kind of what it's gonna look like. Obviously, I'm gonna have a separate mouthpiece I can put on here. I'm gonna have the back so I can put my magnets on. But so far, it's fixed pretty snug to my head. So we're gonna go ahead, print the back piece, and I'm hoping to have this done at least done printing in the next 2-3 days, maybe. Could be a little bit longer, but we'll be back. We have this piece right here, our mouthpiece, and we're gonna have the actual helmet. It's pretty cool because you don't have to solder any of these, and it allows you to paint these separately. So this is just gonna click right into this right here. So all I would have to do is slide this in, push it in, and it's just gonna click right into place and looks seamless. This is how it looks on the inside, and the mouthpiece is the same. It lines up with these grooves right here. Just push it in like this. We can turn it around to push it more up, make it a little bit easier for us. The grooves, so it's going to be locked in from here to here. This piece did fail a little bit, but it's still okay. It snags in there pretty nice. And it's gonna look like this. You wouldn't even know that there's multiple pieces like that, so that's pretty good. Looks like this. I just gotta print the visor, but it looks pretty good so far. So this is gonna be our helmet right here. Now that we have the places all in, like I just showed you guys, I'm basically just gonna be able to put this on, and then once I get my magnets, I'll just put it on back here. It'll snap into place, and this is kind of how it will look. Hold on.
Projects.
You guys saw earlier, we sanded everything, got everything painted. Basically the helmet's done. All we have to do is add the magnets on, then connect the helmet together, and it's gonna be ready to show you guys. So let's go ahead and add the magnets in, and then I'm gonna show you guys what the helmet's looking like. So this is the first Power Ranger helmet we made. back when we first started 3D printing, and this is the new one that I could actually wear. This one doesn't come apart, and I'm not able to wear it, but I think the new one came out pretty good. I'm really satisfied with the paint job. I hope you guys like it. I definitely think I improved from my first mask. Let me know down below what you guys think.